Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a flyover an apartment building that's being built on Upper Waterloo Road. The name is the Nitrams of Waterloo, and this is the construction that's going on. We are at 44 Waterloo Road. Now this complex is going to comprise 48 units, and it's going to be about 6 stories high. It was to have been completed in 2021, but for some reason it's not completed and it's 2023 now, so it looks like it should be finished next year though, if all goes well. So we're just going to take a look at the building to see how far it has reached. And these apartments are luxury apartments. When you see what the finished building is to look like, then you're definitely going to see why it's a luxury apartment. So we are on Upper Waterloo Road, which is just off Shortwood Road, and you can get a idea of the area we're looking at. It's mostly a residential area, a lot of apartments, townhouses on Upper Waterloo Road, and it's very close to the Barbican area, the Grand Spen area, Manor Park. I mean, if you guys have noticed, there's so much traffic on the road, so it's very important that you live somewhere that you can get to easily, because I have no idea why there's so much traffic on the road these days. But this is the apartment building, and it's coming along. Further down from this road, this is Upper Waterloo Road. If we were to continue driving from Upper Waterloo Road to say New Kingston, we would pass 20 South, which is another high-rise building, and that one is finished. Persons have moved in. And we'd also pass, or you could see, we'd pass Terra Nova, where they're building those, I think it's the residences of Terra Nova. That is another high-rise building, and there's another high-rise building that's finished right beside 20 South. I think I'm not sure what the name of it is. Very nice building though. And then further, when we pass that one, we'll come across the Rogers, and the Rogers is 20 floors, which is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica. So a lot of apartments are being built, and I don't know if it's because of the space, that availability of space, but these buildings are going up. This one is small compared to the others. This one is like 6 floors, 48 units. The Rogers is 20 floors. 20 South is, I don't know the exact number, but it's definitely more than 6 floors. The residences of Terra Nova is definitely, I think it's a high rise. It's probably more than 10 floors, but a lot of these buildings are being built. The Cambridge has been built, or it's been built over in New Kingston, and that one is 10 floors, but it's 172 units in the complex. It's actually 2 towers. Then you have the Via at the Braemar, which is, I think, 10 floors. So the new norm now for these luxury apartments is to build these buildings. And you can see it's a residential area. Everywhere you look, you're seeing more homes. So we have videos up of all these buildings, the ones that are finished and under construction, so you can check it out. And also we have we're setting up another channel called Flying Over Jamaica, and we'll have only drone footage on that channel. This channel we're still going to be doing driving tours, but we're also going to be doing tours like this. But you can check out Flying Over Jamaica. Well, I'll put the link in the below, and that one will have only drone footage. And these cranes, have you ever noticed how many of these cranes are operational in Jamaica now? All of these high-rise buildings, you see these massive cranes. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And let us know what you think about these drone videos. We've just started them, so give us some feedback, let us know. Alright guys, have a good day.